In front of me is VIVO Y20s, and let me show you how to make your phone number private, how to hide your caller ID. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, tap on the more icon and select settings. Here click on call-in accounts and pick your SIM card. Go to call settings and select additional settings. Click on caller ID, and here you can smoothly make your phone number private by tapping on hide number. And from now on your phone number will not be visible anywhere, so no one will be able to detect your phone number. As you can see, I have some issues with my SIM card, but this is how you can set it up. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.